Hello, my fire service friends. It's Brian Pods here from TFT. Recently, we received a question about TFT's MidForce nozzle. What's the deal with the switch on the baffle? Why does it switch from blue to red? And what does blue and red mean? Well, the MidForce from TFT is a dual pressure automatic nozzle. The blue mode, depending on the model you have, is either 100 psi nozzle pressure or 75 psi. When you switch the baffle into the red mode, you're changing the nozzle pressure to either 55 psi or 45 psi. Operationally, remember this: blue on the outside, red on the inside. Blue on the outside because at a given flow rate or a given pump discharge pressure, that blue mode is high pressure mode, allowing you to deliver the GPM with the most reach and the most impact force. Good for defensive attack, exposure protection, or hitting the second or third story window where that reach of stream is absolutely critical. Red on the inside because it changes the nozzle to low pressure mode, giving you a high GPM, low nozzle pressure, which means low nozzle reaction and easier manageability on the hose line to make that interior aggressive firefighting attack. Throughout the country, visiting many firehouses, a lot of firehouses that use the MidForce, on a cross lay or a first line into the building, they always have that nozzle set on the red setting. And then for a hose line that's dedicated to defensive attack, they always have that nozzle on the blue setting. So there's an example for you. But ultimately, it's up to your SOGs or SOPs to make it work to meet your needs in your response district. If you have any more questions, visit tft.com/contact and be sure to visit our Learning Hub, also at tft.com.